The Monica Novii wireless patch system is for use in a clinical setting for singleton term intrapartum patients only. Training Session 10. Cleaning. Wipe the Novii interface, Novii pod, and interface cables with a soft, non-abrasive cloth or disposable wipe soaked in aqueous detergent or disinfectant, or other solution such as 70% isopropyl alcohol. And then, it is good practice to use sterile or distilled water to remove the cleaning solution residue before drying thoroughly with a sterile soft towel or gauze surgical sponge.